Looking for a dependable 64GB micro SD card that keeps your dashcam and security footage flawless? This TIDEFORCIX micro SDXC card is designed to handle everything from 1080p Full HD to smooth 4K video without missing a frame. Whether you're recording your daily drive or monitoring your home, this card delivers consistent performance you can trust. What sets this card apart is its Class 10, U3, and V30 ratings, ensuring fast read speeds up to 100 megabytes per second and write speeds of 30 megabytes per second. That means your videos save quickly and play back smoothly, even during continuous loop recording on dash cams or security cameras. Plus, it's A1 rated, so apps on your Android devices load faster, making it a versatile choice beyond just video storage. I've tested this card across multiple devices, from smartphones and tablets to cameras and laptops, and it works seamlessly. The included USB A3.0 reader and SD adapter make transferring files quick and hassle-free, whether you're moving footage to your PC or using the card in a DSLR. Just remember to format it inside your device first to avoid any memory errors. Durability is another highlight. This micro SD card is built to survive real-world conditions. It's waterproof, shockproof, magnet-proof, and X-ray proof. It operates reliably in extreme temperatures, from freezing -25 degrees Celsius to scorching 85 degrees Celsius. So whether it's sitting on a hot dashboard or out in the cold on a trail cam, your data stays safe. Compatibility covers a wide range of gear too. It fits Android phones, tablets, e-readers, and even retro handheld consoles. For security, it slots right into dash cams, security cameras, and trail cams with micro SDXC support. Just note, it won't work with older digital cameras made before 2015 that only support 32GB SDHC cards. If you're looking to upgrade your storage with a reliable, fast, and rugged micro SD card, this 64GB TIDEFORCIX kit is worth a look. It's more than just storage, it's peace of mind knowing your important videos and apps run smoothly no matter where you use it. Ready to keep your footage safe and your devices running at their best? Try this micro SD card when you're ready, and enjoy the convenience of the 3-in-1 kit with everything you need to get started right away.